Lesson 16, right?
Yeah.
How did the test go for everyone?
What?
How did the tests go?
Oh, I did all right. Not as well as I wanted.
Same here.
It was interesting. The words were really tricky. I didn't realize that it opened up at noon on Thursday, so I didn't even get to take it until like late Friday.
Yeah, I took it Friday evening because I was supposed to have company come in town on Saturday, so I didn't want to be stuck trying to do that. So I did it on Friday, and I got 70%. I talked to him. I wanted to go over the stuff and see which ones I missed because some of the wording was confusing.
Yeah.
Like, okay, I felt like I did a lot better than that. So where did I go wrong? Oh, I forgot we were recording. I guess we can start the quiz. All right, so for number 3, I put C. Each slice represents a category, and the area of each slice represents the proportion of the total occupied by the category.
Yeah, that's what I put too.
Mm-hmm.
Where did you guys find that, like in the lesson?
I think it just makes the most sense.
It's in the summary part under pie charts.
Oh, okay.
Pie charts are used when you want to represent. That's where I looked.
Okay.
Number 3, in a pie chart, why are the slices sectors different sizes? The size of each slice is random. The size of each slice is determined by the number of categories. Each slice represents a category, and the area of each slice represents the proportion of the total occupied by the category. Pie charts are more visual appealing than the slices are different sizes. I put C on that one.
Yeah, that's what I put too.
Yep.
And that one's down in the summary.
On number 4, I put C. But I wasn't. Wait, are we on 4?
No, we're on 5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, number 5. 5, I put true proportion.
That's what I put.
Yep.
Said it in the summary. 6, what is N? Is that the sample size?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Number 7, is it 25? Because if you think about it like in quarters, or are you putting 0.25? Or am I not even doing it right?
I can't answer this question. This one's confused me the most.
Yeah, I've been trying to figure it out. Because P would be 0.25. So then it's saying, how do we get N?
What's the smallest n that'll fit into 3.2.1 of our lesson? The only problem is that I saw was in the entire lesson we went off a p that was 0.05 or no 0.5 with a sample of 25, which if you used the conditions to see if it was normally distributed, it isn't. But they didn't say that. It's just weird
Hmm.
because okay, so to use the central limit theorem, we need to satisfy both conditions that n times p is greater than or equal to 10, or that n times 1 minus p is greater than or equal to, or and n times 1 minus p is greater than or equal to 10, which is weird because yeah, it just doesn't make sense. I feel like there's something that's not right.
So we're trying to find N, right?
Well, so this is the thing: is the smallest n that'll satisfy both of those is 40.
I think it's 40.
Um, right. The only problem is that, like I was saying, during the lesson, they have a sample size of 25, which is obviously not normally distributed based on, you know, the conditions, but they never say that the sample size of 25 is normally distributed, which is really drives me crazy.
Well, it says we can apply the central limit theorem to a sample proportion and conclude that P follows a normal distribution if both of the following conditions are satisfied. So maybe that's all it is. Maybe it just has to be n times p is greater than or equal to 10 and n times 1 minus p is greater than or equal to 10. I don't know. It's confusing.
I know.
No, I
Hmm.
must have been doing my math differently, or math wrong. Oh wait. Oh weird. Okay, never mind. I was wrong. Yeah, it's 40. It's 40 because it satisfies both of them. Anything less than 40 won't satisfy the first one of the n times p.
Yeah.
All right, so is number 9 still the 0.1?
9 is 0.1, yes.
Oh, I thought we were in 8. It was just 9.
Yeah, that's why I was confused.
We talked about that one earlier.
I thought you said 8 was 40.
No.
Oh no, that was 7, right?
Sorry.
Oh, well,
7 was
7
40.
is 40.
8's 0.4, right?
Yeah. And
I thought 8 was.
see, this is the thing, is if you try to plug that in to determine if the central limit theorem applies, it doesn't. This is
Hmm.
but I guess it doesn't matter. Maybe it doesn't matter.
Well, maybe it doesn't matter right now, if that makes sense.
Those questions. Yeah, so the sample distribution, no, not the sample distribution. Yeah, the sample distribution of the p, which is the p with the arrow above it. It the mean is going to be what p is. So that's how we know that number 8 is going to be 0.4. And then question 9, we just plug the numbers into the standard deviation equation.
Okay, so now I'm confused on these. Is number 10, what is p? Rounded 2 decimal places. Are you doing a calculation? Because we're not trying to find the standard deviation of p, we're just saying p. So is p not 0.3?
It is 0.3.
Because it's a p with a little caret? Okay, so number 10 is 0.3. What is the standard deviation of p?
What was was number 9?
That's 0.1.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I got that.
3, so hold on. 0.3 times 1, take away 0.3. Divided by.
I think 10 is supposed to be 0.35. Oh, it's 0.35. I didn't read it. I didn't read the question like I should have. So the reason why question 10 is different from question 8 is because question 8 asks for what is the true mean. Basically, is asking what is the true mean of p, which is going to be 0.4. P is just asking for what is the mean that, or what is the sample, like the sample mean, which is going to be the 35 divided by 100.
0.35. Okay, for 11, did you get 0.547?
No.
What? Okay, you did the calculation, the square root of p times 1 minus p divided by n.
Did you square root it?
Yeah. Okay, so 0.3 times 1 minus 0.3 parentheses equals 0.21. Now the square root of 0.21. That was 0.458.
Yes.
Okay, I typed it in wrong.
So why is 10 0.35? How did you get 0.35?
Like I was saying, this one's different. The reason why this one's different from 8 is because it's not asking for what the like the true mean is. It's actually asking for what the like the sample mean. It's not really. There's no easy way to explain like what it is they're asking for because it's worded really dumb. But it's asking for what is the point estimate of the true proportion, which is going to be the 35 divided by 100 and not the 0.3.
35 divided by 100. Is that what you said?
35 divided by 100?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then it will be 0.3.
Okay.
It's they. I wish they had a different way to word that because that's tricky. That I mean, if I didn't get it wrong, I would have never known.
And then 11 is 0.547.
No.
I got 0.458. I calculated it wrong the first time when I typed it in my calculator.
No, I think I did it
So then
wrong
when I
too. How did you do it?
The root of 0.03 times 1 minus 0.03 divided by 100.
divided by n, yeah.
Correct.
What is the z-score? For this one, are you using There's a huge equation right here. Z equals P with a caret above it minus P divided by the square root of P. Are you using that big equation?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
I need a different calculator.
So the easiest way to do it is I would do the
One
whole
section.
standard deviation equation first. Figure that out, and then just do the 0.35 minus 0.3 divided by the answer of the previous.
For number 12?
Yes.
This is driving me crazy. You guys are being super noisy. If you're this noisy, Kaden, then you can't come over and play, okay? Can you find a different game to play?
I'm playing courses.
I know. So until Mom's done with this, could you stop playing courses? Because your courses are being so loud, I can hear you from all the way upstairs. Okay?
How about we be a little bit quiet?
Yeah. How about just don't play horses? Not right now, okay? Because those are super loud horses. Oh, I got a negative number. Did I type it in wrong? Negative 6.196?
The z-square?
Yes.
For 12? No, it's not negative.
Okay, let's relook at how I typed it in. Oh, yep, that's where I went wrong. Square root 0.3. 0.045826.
Did you get 1.087?
Yes.
Wait, you got what?
I got zero. No, sorry, I'm looking at the wrong one. 1.087.
Oh well.
Hmm.
No,
Close.
I got 1.091.
There it is.
Yay! Hallelujah.
Wait. Can you repeat that again? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
1.091.
Yep, 1.091.
Gabriella, I think I don't know. Did you just put in the standard deviation as in 0.046?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay, I did the whole number, 0.045826.
Yeah. That's probably why you were slightly off.
Just because I didn't know where. I had to break it up in like 3 sections for my calculator.
Got it. I should.
Wait, what equation did you use for the z-score?
The p with a caret minus p divided by square root of p, parentheses 1 minus p, parentheses divided by n. And so I just calculated the top, 0.35 minus 0.3, and got 0.05. And then on the bottom, square root of 0.3, parentheses 1 minus 0.3, parentheses divided by 100. And on the bottom, I got 0.045826. So 0.05 divided by 0.045826 gave me 1.091.
Okay.
What is the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her next 100 at bat? So are you dividing that? That seems like the same answer we did, 100 divided by, or 35 divided by 100.
No, so this one you're going to plug in the z-score into the probability applet, and then everything that's greater than you're gonna shade only what's greater than that is a z-score, and that's the probability is going to be what's on top.
Okay, let me find the applet. Okay, so the z-score 1.091. So you're shading the middle and to the right?
No, just to the right.
Just to the right. So 0.1376.
Yes, or rounded to 3 decimals.
So 0.138. Zero point 138. Did you get 0.011? On 14?
0.011.
Yeah.
Michelle,
What, honey?
Caden rolled me over on my face.
Kaden rolled you on your face. Did you talk to him and tell him that you didn't like that? Go tell your brother to be soft with you. Okay? Tell him not to play rough. What is the Z? What Z score would you use? Okay, so this is the big calculation again, right?
Yes.
So your P with a caret is the 0.011. Take away normal P, 0.52, divided by square root of P, 0.52, 1 minus 0.52, divided by 2,000. We just calculated, wait. We just did that calculation, so we know that that's 0.011. So all we're changing in this one is 0.011 minus 0.52 divided by 0.011. No, that's a negative, negative 47. Well, that's a negative number on the top anyways.
Is it negative?
Josh, did you get a negative number? Because the top one, 0.011 minus 0.52 is negative 0.509.
The
And then on the
z-score is
bottom,
going to be negative, yes. But that's not what I got for the z-score.
Oh, I got a negative.
okay, so we have negative 0.509 divided by 0.011. You didn't get negative 46.272727?
No, but I did get a negative number.
Negative. Oh, okay, so I think
So is your top number negative 0.509?
No.
What the heck? Did I type the numbers in wrong? Okay, because you're going back to the...
The number on top should just be 0.02 because it's going to be 0.5 minus 0.52.
Where did you get the 0.5?
Because the results of the survey suggest the candidate is losing the election, getting less than 50% of the votes. So 50% is
Oh.
0.5.
did you get negative 1.79?
Close. Make sure you're using the actual equation or the actual answer for the standard deviation and not the one that you get with the rounded.
This one's frustrating. So how we rounded it, the 0.011 on the last one, is that what you're talking about, to not round?
Yeah, to use the actual calculation for it.
Then I have to go back and figure out what that number was.
That's what I was saying. Just like the best way to do it, if you have a calculator that saves the answer of the previous calculation, just do the standard deviation calculation first, and then basically the next calculation after you do that is going to be the like 0.5 minus 0.52 divided by and then the answer button is the easiest way to do that.
What am I doing wrong? That number is coming up as 0.727214, and the number I've written down is 0.011.
Okay, so let's see. We're going to do...
I was trying to break it down because I have a different calculator, so I was doing 0.52 times parentheses 1 minus 0.52 parentheses divided by 2,000. Whoops, 2,000, which would give me 0.00 copy. Then we have to do the square root of that number. Paste. Okay, there we go. 0.011180. So now 0.5. 0.5 take away 0.52. Leave this negative 0.02. And then on the bottom, we'd have 0.011180. 0.02 divided by 0.01180. Negative 1.788909.
Sorry, one more time.
Negative 1.789. Because we're rounding to 3, right?
I mean, it's really close. I don't know.
I got
How close?
negative 1.7902871851.
That's what I got too.
Okay, so the answer that I got...
Oh my God.
Wait, we're talking about 15, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
the answer that I got for 15, which I've already submitted the quiz and I got 100%. The answer that I got was negative 1.818.
What the heck?
Yeah, what?
Okay, so
Yeah,
plug
can
in
you
there 0.52, parentheses, 1 minus 0.52 divided by 2,000. Okay, I'm going to do 0.5 minus 0.52. Are you putting...
Wait. Are the numbers you're putting on the bottom in the square root 0.52 or 0.5?
Oh, maybe I did. What did I do? Yeah, it's 0.52.
Because on the bottom, on the bottom I did the square root of 0.52 parentheses 1 minus 0.52 divided by 2,000. And that's where I got the 0.011180.
Okay, and then do...
And then on the top, it's negative negative 0.02 divided by 0.011180. And I got negative 1.7889. So then I rounded that up to negative 1.789.
Oh. Oh, that's why. Real quick, say what you just said again.
On the top, I have negative 0.02 divided by 0.011180.
See, because I got 0.011713922035.
Mm-hmm. Right.
What?
For that one, for the like for 14, that's what the answer that I got was.
For 14, let's go look at 14.
Right. Yeah, you did it.
Oh, because we rounded, so
I just don't know why it's slightly off.
Something's up. Because I'm getting the answers that you're getting now on my calculator, but when I do it the first time, it comes out right. Or let's see. Okay, so square root parentheses 0.52 parentheses 1 minus 0.52 divided by 2,000. And then I do 0.5 minus 0.52. Oh, no.
wait, I just retyped it and I got a different answer. Wait. Oh my gosh. 0.721017. Negative 0.02 divided by 0.721017. Nope, that's not even close. Okay, what are we putting? Whose answer do we choose?
Okay, wait, what did you say the actual answer was?
The answer that I got was negative 1.818.
And he already submitted the quiz, right?
Yes.
And you got it right.
Okay. Why am I getting different answers?
And girls, what did you guys get on yours?
I got negative 1.7.
See, that's what I
1.7
got.
what?
Close. There's something.
Because I got negative 1.789. So the three of us are pretty close. Okay, well, move on with life.
Okay.
What is the probability the survey results will show the candidate of losing even though the true P is 0.52? Are we typing this into our probability applet? So our z-score.
Yes.
See, I don't like ones like this because if we got the z-score wrong, then we're going to get this one wrong. So we're going to type in.
Yeah, I probably got it. I got it wrong.
1.818, and it wants to know What is the probability the survey results will show the candidate is losing even though the true P is 0.52? So what are we shading? The lower part, just the lower?
Yes.
So 0.035?
Yes.
0.035.
0 point.
Uh-oh, do we submit? Okay, I guess we'll submit and see what happens.
What did you guys?
I missed one. Which one? I missed number 11.
I did 2.
11 is point
I put
046.
I put 0.458.
So did I. And it says round to 3 decimal places.
0.046.
0.046.
Wait, 11.
Whoops.
Can you guys
Uh,
repeat 0.046?
yeah.
Okay.
So on Wednesday, if we're planning to meet again on Wednesday, I'm working an evening shift. So I'm going to be at work until 10 o'clock at night. Usually the evening shift slows down because I've done a quiz with you guys before while I've been at work. So if you guys are still planning on meeting, a little bit later Wednesday would work better for me after 6, because then a lot of the day people go home and the patient's are already on the machine. So what's your guys' plan for meeting on Wednesday?
I have the next 3 days off, so I'm available anytime.
What? 3 days off? What are you going to do?
All right.
Homework.
Oh, and
Homework.
we have a final project that's due over the next few weeks of class.
Is it a group project?
It's a group project.
And
We
what
have to
does it
like
want
do
us to
stuff.
Oh, the worst.
Sounds like something I don't want to do. We have to have a PowerPoint presentation. That's due week 14. This week we have a design the study that's due.
Let's see. Nope, don't want that.
I guess we can be done recording. We're
Oh.
done with that section.
Yeah.